In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recap or summarize conversation or messages on Slack. If you've ever come back from a meeting, a vacation, or even just a couple of hours away from your computer and found your Slack full of unread messages, this feature is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through every single message, you can quickly generate a summary of what's been happening in a channel or conversation. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of channels and direct messages. Start by clicking on the channel where you want to get a recap. This could be a project channel, a team channel, or any channel where a lot of discussion has taken place and you want a quick overview. You don't have to stop at channels though. You can also summarize a specific message thread. Maybe there's a long back and forth conversation in your direct messages or a focused discussion under a single message in a channel. Click into that conversation or open the message thread you're interested in so it's visible in the main Slack window. Once you're in the right place, move your mouse over the top of the conversation area. Look for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This icon usually appears in the top right corner of the conversation pane or near the channel name, depending on your Slack layout and updates. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu of additional options. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Summarize Conversation or Summarize Channel. The wording might vary slightly, but it will clearly mention summarizing. Go ahead and click on that option. Slack will now process the messages in that channel or conversation and generate a concise summary for you. This may take a moment, especially if there are a lot of messages. Once it's done, you'll see a short recap that highlights the main points, decisions, and important updates that were discussed. You can read through this summary to quickly get up to speed without digging through every single message. If something in the summary catches your attention, you can always scroll back through the actual conversation for more detail. That's all you need to do.